Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Jamie and I'm a performance marketing agency owner out here in Sydney. I just want to give big thanks to good old Was and his 3X agency scale which I've completed, and by damn, it's blown me away. Like that's not even an exaggeration. I'm a bloke that is very fussy and very picky, and if you ever know me, I'll tell you straight to your face that I don't like your stuff or something's not right. But Was's agency scale actually just blew it out of the park. Look, I've done many courses back in the old days, and I'm just so used to joining a course, spending all this cash, the no 97s, the 4,000, 10,000, all that what it might be, and just get given a bunch of documents, a bunch of videos, and get told to kind of go through it yourself. And then, email us here and there, and we'll get back to you when we can. Yeah. And look, it might be effective for some people, definitely not for me. And this is where kind of Was's 3X scalar stands out. It's because apart from having the weekly sessions, which are so valuable because we could obviously keep in touch and learn whatever is going through the course, and then all the cool documents and all the agency stuff like that. He's a bloke that's kind of been there and done that. So what he's offering in this course as well is a lot of one-to-one time where I can call him up or I can send him a Loom video and basically just sort of say, hey, this is my issue. This is what I'm facing right now. What's your advice? I know you've kind of been there, done that, all that kind of stuff. And he does that, and it's the best thing ever. And I've done that way too many times in this agency course. And like, not even joking, I've taken so much of his time, and I think the one-to-one time of him giving me personal advice back about custom to what's going on in my business right now, literally paid for the scala itself. It's like, yes, I've done all the other stuff he's done for the 8 weeks and all that kind of stuff, and that's just topped it to another level. But the actual one-to-one stuff that you get with him is insane. Like you've seen the places that he's worked with before and how he's scaled all these big agencies across Melbourne, Sydney, and around Australia, and it's proven. Like you can tell, you ask a bloke a question and he knows, and it's awesome. And it's like any marketing expert out there, and if you're a marketing agency owner, if a client ever asks you a question and you can flip them straight back the answer, that person knows what they're talking about. And it's the same with Was. I asked him so many operational questions, sales questions, how to do the structure of my pitch decks and all that kind of stuff. And straight away, boom, 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 he just knew what to do. And obviously you can tell, look at the stuff he's done in the past. But yeah, look, honestly, best thing I've done. And I've already reached out to a couple of my agency friends, similar ones that have been like in my situation, that we've worked in agencies, gone off and done our own thing, and now obviously filling in some growing pages. And that I've referred him because honestly, he's just worth the world, the information I've got from him. And not just that now, fortunately enough, met a lot of other agency owners within the course, because obviously at the start of a lot of our sessions, we have a little bit of a chat with everyone and made some really, really good mates. And it's actually really, really good because you actually feel like, obviously they're competitors in some aspects, but at the same time, they're people that are also trying to grow their business and have similar, ideas and aspirations and problems as you, and it's always getting feedback. There's always enough clients and enough leads in the world we all can share about. But yeah, just all these extra little elements as well. I'm always bragging about how good this course has been for me, and yeah, honestly, I've been talking for a couple of minutes now, but it's worth every kind of time, and I really, really do appreciate all the stuff you've done, and I'm looking forward to more work with you in the future. I got some big plans, man, but thanks again. I really appreciate everything.